This is what YouTubers go through.
You're now becoming an... I couldn't get it off. Is it going?
Hello, 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 hello.
Yeah, it's good. I'm out of the shot here. Boy!
Series for 2019. I'm already too f***ing close.
So you can't do it again.
Alright guys, welcome to episode 5. Alright guys, welcome to What the It has been It has been one out.
Actually fucking brain dead, I can't even.
Alright, he'll just wing it as we go.
I'll just...
Go back.
No, you gotta go back, this is where I was.
It's down.
It's down.
Right, and wait, are you still in my head?
So, I just put it on the ground where you can't see it. Stupid.
We're getting started on the next build. Ta-da!
Man, I'm so
Gosh! And oh, g'day mate.
G'day champ, how are you?
Okay, he was meant to come in there. In this prize, these are valued at, what are these valued at? I've got to check that.
And pick my favorite, into the whole thing again. Fuck's sake. I've been trying to do this one all day, I just can't get it out. What did I say last time?
With
Oh, Jesus.
Oh my god.
Oh, someone didn't take...
Oh, you press record? Yep. Alright guys, so that...
Light. Wait, what? Light, you shit. That would have been a... Center force clutch. And, oh, Jesus. On this side, it's mainly just storage. Wait, how's the light there? Is it really dark? Just move away.
You gotta hold it down for the way out again.
This giveaway. So, stop making water noise. Is it saying record now?
Yeah.
Boy, g'day.
And take it home on the trailer.
That's all over the place. It's a bit shit.
What are you saying that I come in? What's the end of what you're saying?
The bottom end, everything buttoned up. Oh God, can you hear that grinding in the background? I don't even know what's going on. Toe cramp. I actually did get a toe cramp then. Yeah, hold on.
What are you doing? Is it going? Oh! Let's go to...
See what I did there? Oh, keep it going. Oh, good. Your booze on the back and be really gay about it.
All right, I'm back now. All right, I'm back.
Did that look funny? It was like on. GoPro turned off. Oh, exhaust. Now, Mingray, you may have heard this before. He's got a brother.
Mingay.
Now, Mingay, you may have heard them. Is that going? Am I in focus? Autofocus is a bit f***ed on that. Away, so the actual body is just made from the f***ing drags in the background, holy sh**. Anyway, so, the body there, yeah. I'll do my outro outside the car. That's everything, eh? So that is right, guys. On the 3rd of November, Yes, that is right, guys. On the 3rd. Are they called quick pitch campers? I'll just say quick pitch, just to be safe.
Can you see the lines working for the mic? Okay.
Pretty sure that's how it goes, right? Or it's...
The intercom is live.
Oh, okay, yes. Taco? God, it's so late, I'm thinking about food. And, yeah. Get that ball joint in, and we'd be one step closer. Oh my God!
Oh, dear me, I got so excited I forgot to actually record an outro for this episode.
Out here, does that look right? Ah, the sun's coming out. F you.
So what, did anything come with this?
Oh, damn it, you got that? Anyway, I think we'll call that time for the, whoa, hello. Right now, my microphone battery is apparently going flat. Typical. And next week on the what was it? What was the date? I can't do this, eh? Cut. I always forget what it is. I'm not even wearing the right shirt. Life of a YouTuber, I'll tell you what. I've just spent 3 months doing engine upgrades on my motor here, and I've been told I'm not allowed to turn the key until you press subscribe. Please press subscribe.